Finna go out. Jimmy 4L, man. Guap gang, man. Money team shit, man. $15 bars, man. Do my motherfucking ad-libs, man. I catch any nigga doing that shit, man. It's lights out, man. Green light shit, man. I'm going there, man. My brother Boss the Beast, man. Shout out my motherfucking Slam Hustler, man. Shout out Pookie Slim, man. I see you, man. Shout out Kyrie, man. I see you, T-Street. Whoop that shit up, man. I see you, Rich. Let's get money, man. Pints of leans and party packs of pills. I'm about to vacuum seal. Higher than a roller coaster, rolling like a Ferris wheel. Keep my mouth duct tape up in the jam, I won't never squeal. Free my brother out the slammer. Got booked with another hammer. Fuck police, I cannot stand them. 15 bars, this is my anthem. Pouring lean all in the phantom. Bitches keep calling me handsome. Got a big bag like Santa Claus. Chopper clap, round of applause. I would never kiss a bitch. She got nothing around her jaws. But I never blame these hoes. It is all they mama fault. Too much money in the vault. I can't even close the vault. Bro, I like lava. Sipping codeine, I got lean in the bottles. Fuck is you drinking Moscato. Fuck with me, you gon' eat a hollow. Mama say kill him and don't feel no sorrow. Got my bands up, boy, I'm not gonna borrow. My bitch is thinking she look like Shakara. Don't remember her name, I don't know what to call her. That bitch eat me like a whatchamacallit. Look at the back and the watch to the bottom. Killing you hoes is just what I taught her. She calling me daddy, I feel like a father. Forward shoes on, boy, I'm just like a model. You just like a hater. Finna gon' grind like a skater. Yo, bitch came over for dinner. She hopped on my plate and I ate her. I told this bitch I'll see her later. Do you think I called her back? Robert's coming back to back. I hop on and dump like I'm Shaq. I'm ballin', you boys is hacks. Rollin' off Zans and I'm smoking on tracks. I take your girl and I give her back. Chopper go. Shoot your ass in your head and your back. Now you hear someone off in your lap. He taking a nap. Ha ha ha. A permanent nap. He ain't coming back. I wanna thank everybody who's been supporting me. You know, follow me on SoundCloud. Fino Guap. You already know, man, I do this for y'all, man. 15 bars. Salute me or fucking shoot me, man. I do this shit for my motherfucking mama, man. My brothers and sisters, my son, and my motherfucking daughter, man. You dig?